Papua New Guinea United Nations Capital Development Fund country leader Wycliffe Ngwabe gave a brief insight on the roundtable discussion.
United Nations Capital Development Fund has a special mandate within the UN system to provide access to finance to all the less privileged people within the country. Our mandate allows us to work with the private sector, both the banks, superannuation funds, and microbanks, and that's why you find us in this particular space. We work very closely with the regulator, who is the central bank.
He said the targeted participants are mostly small and medium enterprise owners and informal sector workers.
So the biggest challenge, first of all, if you look at PNG, most of the SMEs are informal. They are not registered. They operate informally. The people, the mamas that sell on stalls in the market, those are the ones who we are targeting. The people that sell at the roadside, the SMEs that are not registered, those employees are the ones that we are targeting. And like you know, national ID is still a challenge in this country. So with DigiZen on board, the digital ID on board, we expect that identification will not be a challenge.
The roundtable also explored ways to encourage voluntary participation and long-term savings, including potential tax incentives. This roundtable, organized by United Nations Capital Development Fund, the Association of Superannuation Funds of PNG, Kinabank, and Pinbox, brought together a diverse group of participants, including policymakers, regulators, superannuation funds, insurers, mobile bank network operators, digital payment providers, development agencies, journalists, economists, and other experts. Following the roundtable, further discussions were held with stakeholders to finalize their roles and contributions in designing, developing, and testing the new digital micropension system for Papua New Guinea. James Guken, National EMTV News.